He's watching them. He's searching for his mama. His kin.
I think he was looking for water and he got stuck and the crystals grew around him.
How we help him?
No, there's no helping him now.
He's still stuck.
He'll be stuck.
No, and we find a way out.
Well, I don't think he needs to worry anymore.
I need to worry too, and I need to worry. We all need to worry too.
No, we don't need to worry.
But how can we get that ant back out?
Well, you would have to remelt the crystals.
How can we melt them?
Just throw some water on it and they'll dissolve. But we don't want to do that right now because it's really pretty.
But how are the crystals going to eat him?
They grow around him. They don't eat him. Do you like that?
Whoa, can you go inside now? Go inside this one? Can we go more farther?
Let's see what we can do, huh?
You have to go in. Wow, we're in the old. We're back. Whoa, what's that? Which one of these crystals are clear? Dad, which one do you like? Which one do you like?
There you go, Neil, look.
Wow, what's that?
That's crystals that you grew.
Can I see inside this one? These are humongous crystals.
You want to see a different crystal? Okay.
I want to see these. I want to take one of these big ones.
Which one? Point. No, those are stuck to the rock. They won't come off.
I can try.
No, they won't. But I'll tell you what. Let's find a different crystal that's a little bit more clear, shall we?
But which one is clear?
I
This
don't know.
one?
Here, let me see. Hold on for a moment.
I want to try this one.
Okay.
This one's easily. How can we get this out? But just
Let's see what we can
that's
do, huh?
getting it
Let's
upside
look.
down. What's that? That looks like the rainbow. Is that the rainbow worry? The rainbow worry. Whoa. Oh, that is cool. It's a rainbow. It's a tiny rainbow. Look at the earth. That's our home. That's wonderful. The planet. Are we going inside that thing?
That's pretty cool, huh?
Can we go inside? Can we go in there? Can we go a little farther?
You see, there's little layers. And as we focus at different angles, at different distances, different layers come into focus.
And I can talk. It'll make different things.
Yeah.
The angel blood cells. Which way do blood cells go?
All right, are we done?
Nope.
No? Can I say we're done?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.